Hi, this is Thunder and Stuff. Uh, this is the first recording that I've ever done. Right? That song right there. Try to guess it if you can. Pretty cool. Watch the music video. It's really good. It's pretty freaking hilarious. Anyways. This segment, channel, this thing is just something I just randomly pick up. Anyways, we're gonna talk about stuff. Hey, it's in the title. Oh, I'm gonna be Thunder. Yep, might have some guests on the show. Probably a few of my friends. Whatever. But we might talk about controversial things, such as what came first, the chicken or the egg? I don't know. Or might tell a joke or two. Have no idea. Anyways, I have no idea what I want to talk about. Ooh, let's talk about this presidential election. That can be a controversial topic. Maybe. I don't know. If you just don't care, whatever. Anyways, let's see it. Both sides here. Most people think we just have two parties. Romney and Obama. Democrat, Republican. But there is a third choice you can go to. The independent parties. Okay, you have there's four people. Yeah, a woman named Jill, guy last name Goody, and then there's Gary Johnson. The Libertarian Party. I believe that's a person that has my support. You know, just some fundamental constitutional beliefs that just seem right with me. Anyways, if you have an opinion, just put it down in the comments, whatever. I'll give you ideas of who you might be voting for if you want to. Not saying that you have to, but just something you can do. Whatever, you know. Maybe talk about in the comments. I have a big fight. Oh, that'd be pretty funny. You know, you never know when it. There's that again. It's a pretty good song. I think that yeah, she's pretty hot. Anyways, yeah. Well, you guys have a good time. I believe that I'm gonna have these videos for 4 minutes. Whatever. I don't really care. So, do you have any questions or whatever? Just Thunder and Stuff. Thunder Stuff or Thunder Stuff. I don't know. It'd be a pretty interesting name. Whatever. So, if you want to talk about something, hey, just comment, subscribe, whatever. Thunder Stuff. Alright.